Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm inside this BMW 5 Series. It's M5 but 5 Series, and the lot will be the same. So we may get the fault code. Let's see if we do get it. No, but this is an image of the fault code which we were getting. It seems to be intermittent. Now there's a lot of things that you can refer back to. Let's see if it comes up on this. No. Okay, so let's just show you. It will be to do with the headlights. Okay, so it's I would first thing, before spending any money, my advice would be, guys, to check the unit. So that vertical aim is to do with one of the modules underneath this headlight. It would be best to take the bumper off and the front arch here, get into it, and it's a module at the bottom that controls this vertical aim, and it's the same because it's come up with left and right. They do pack in, I have worked on many different BMs, they do go. So what I would recommend, check the fuse board. Okay, once you've checked it, everything's fine. If it is a blown fuse, by all means change it, don't do anything with the headlight. If it isn't, get the module, change it over. If you are you can do it yourself, by all means. It's only a few bolts, like these small bolts. Take it off, put the new one in. Obviously it will require coding in, so once you've done it, you'll have to code it into the car. You'll need to use a high up diagnostic machine, probably like ours we have here. I'm using the King Baldwin K7, you've got K10 as well, which is the refraction of the price of all the diagnostics. If you are using Hotel Snap-on, you have to have the J2, I can't remember what it is, but you'll require them to code it in. And once you have it, it should eliminate the fault code. But BMs are known for condensation and water. The water goes into the module. As you can see, this has already been previously repaired, so that's why we're getting this fault code, and it does pop up. I'm surprised it's not come back on. We've been turning it on and off a few times and it has. So I do highly recommend. This is what the module looks like, and this is the headlight as well, so you can see it's at the bottom. Change that, code, done, dusted.